and welcome back to the Subbu and Sree channel. Many of you who watched the home tour asked about this plant corner and these plant stands. So this little video is to cover that. Shall we get started? You're now seeing the plant corner in slightly bright daylight. During the planning phase itself, we decided to have the corner near the window as a green space for plants, mainly air purifying ones. So once the extension work was complete, I started looking for the plant stands. I was having a picture of a stand with 4 steps, something similar to what you see in the picture right now. When I browsed through and saw the measurements of the products, I felt it will become a space occupying piece with less flexibility to move if required. So I wasn't really sure and didn't order immediately. One day when I went to TK Maxx, these individual pieces caught my eye and I visualized these as plant stands in the corner with individual pots on them. I liked the idea and decided to buy them. So the fallback option in my head was, okay, if it becomes too crowded in the corner, then I can place them individually in different places. The plant stands came to our house. So I tried different arrangements and this arrangement seemed to suit well for the corner. So we've placed it like that. Let's see how long I have the flexibility to move around. So that's a good thing. The flower pot in the corner, the tall white one, it was bought in either Range or HomeSense, most probably HomeSense. This was bought like 2 to 3 years back, before the extension. The flower pot in there is the anthurium plant, which I love. It's a small one. Let me just lift it to show you. The pot is elevated using paint tins. Now let's have a close view of the plant stands. Let me now remove the spider plant. So this one has a circular marble top. Let me remove the umbrella plant. This plant stand has an octagon shape top. This is a smaller octagon. The next plant stand, the top is slightly bigger. That's also octagon shape. I haven't seen them all the time when I go to TK Maxx, so it looks like a seasonal product there. I will try and look up online and add a link to the description if you're interested to buy. As we have a rooftop window in this room and also another window very close to the corner, there's enough sunlight for the plants. Not direct sunlight, but good enough for the plants. I keep moving the plants around. Some of the plants which require moisture, I move to the bathroom once a while. Did you like the content? If you do, please like this video. Until I see you next time, bye-bye.